my channel, I'm gonna be making some pancake tacos. It's just stuff I made up myself. It's just like pancakes with eggs in it and syrup, which I'm about to see. So I'm about to do the ingredients off camera just to save us some time. All right, y'all. So I did the pancake mix. All I did was add water until I got it to how I wanted it. My eggs. I'm gonna be using this little pan because I want like little thin pancakes where I can like use it as the tortillas or whatever. And butter. All right, so let me go put this on the stove. All right, y'all. So I'm using this little pan and put my butter and stuff on there or whatever. And for some reason, my first pancakes always look stupid. They look dumb. They look nasty. But the other ones, they're gonna turn out good. We gonna just pray about it and hopefully it just come out right. All right, so I'm about to pour it in there. And I always call this like my late night struggle meal, but this junk hit. Like I eat this literally every day. Cause just pancakes and eggs, just breakfast. I don't understand why I called it a struggle meal. And y'all don't mind these pots back here. They're just these pots. That one look crazy because we always use that the most. We had used this for the fried Oreos, so we not really worried about them. But all right, we about to flip it. I'm not gonna get me a fork. And usually I put butter on the other side before I flip it, but I forgot to. Looking great. My pancakes will not be turned out like this the first try. And I put so much butter on my pancakes because I like when it's crunchy around the edges. It just makes it, just add a little razzle dazzle. Add my butter. And like sometimes when it melts, I like to add the batter like directly in the middle so it can like be around the edges. And I did the batter a little thick this time, but usually I do it like more watery. Butter around the edges. That's what makes it crispy. I'm about to add my butter. Alright, and I'm just going to go ahead and cook all the pancakes while we at it. Alright, so I'm finishing the last pancake. And after this, I'm just going to put the eggs in there in this same pan. I only did 4. Usually I do like at least, probably 4 or 5. But I did a lot of eggs this time, so I might just have a lot of eggs on the side, which is okay. For the eggs, I just like, I butter the pan too. It just makes it way easier when it's time to wash. They're gonna be like that stuck to the pan. Alright, so I'm just gonna add it in. It might be too much. You probably won't all fit, but we about to try anyway. Yeah, it should be fine. Don't be hitting right. Or you be hitting different.
I could have sworn we had some, but...
Girl, you don't eat that stuff we got anyway. We got 2 things right here. You gotta go somehow. And yeah, I like to add 2 cheeses because I like my junk cheesy. And all I did was add salt and pepper. Yeah, because like I want my pancakes to be like the tortillas.
Little pan is that on that big old eye.
Look, we already talked about it, so it is what it is.
I feel like this drinkers have like
died down. Shut up.
Yeah, you should. Don't copy me.
Girl, we twins.
We're one's definitely not twins. I am sleepy. Like what? I went to sleep at like 1 o'clock in the morning. That's why.
I went to sleep at 5. I probably told you that already, but yeah.
Yes, you have. What time?
Whatever.
Hopefully I sleep good. Don't put me in there.
I wasn't. This is the final product. And we about to move to the table for I can show you how to make these things. I'm over here thinking I'm recording and I didn't record anything. So I'm gonna eat this one, but I'm gonna show you how to make it in the next one. So this is how you make it. Again, because I thought I recorded, but I wasn't recording anything. So get your pancake, hold it like this, like a taco shell, as you can see. Add your eggs. You just add as much as you want. It don't matter. Can you get on my fork? Get onto my thingy. And then you pour the syrup. Or syrup, however you say it, don't matter. Anyways, and then boom, there you have it. Your pancake tacos. And it's good too. Anyways, this is good. Highly recommend. I'm sure I don't want to see me eat the whole time, so thank you guys for watching. This is how I make them. Very good, very easy. I recommend it. Look, I'm probably looking a mess, but it's okay. A lot of people want me to keep my neck wrap for my birthday, but look, honey, I'm not trying to do it. So I might just put them box braids back in. But alright, see you guys in the next video. I want to say we're going to be cooking brownies. It's going to be good too, hopefully. I'm not a baker, so we just going to see how it turned out. But alright, bye.